Hey guys, welcome for another real-time interview. Today we got Rvshwill in the building, popular artist from out of Jamaica who has been making storm throughout the radio waves and the airwaves throughout the Caribbean and across the states as well. I got in touch with a producer by the name of Jadi in Jamaica, and Jadi is one of my childhood friend who we grew up with, but he is just like been selecting the right talent to push out of Jamaica. So Rvshwill is here today to let us know about his experience and what he has to offer in the music industry. Sit tight and watch the real-time interview here with Rvshwill. Hey Rvshwill, how is it going for you, man?
Yeah, man, you know the thing going out lah. We there in a real time interview, you know. Me I say C4. Them have to go take a detour because them can't stop down here. Me I say live from Jamaica, big up all of the viewers them. And everybody we out for the interview here. You know, so they are live, you know. Up and wealthy and a easy, all the vibe, you know.
Wonderful. So Rvshwill, we're gonna start it off like this. So what first got you into the music? What got you into music, man?
Yeah, man, you know, say, it's a God given talent, you know, where from when in a grade one, I got primary school. I walk to school daily. Me realize me a mumble a lot of word. Mumbo, jumbo, rumbo, rumbo, lumbo. Be things me I say, but me never da put no words in them until grade 2. So you see, when me reach a grade 2, me general, me start putting a one word.
Right?
And me start to realize, say, alright, you know, say, you have to know when the line they finish and when the next one start, you see me? So I did some realize say me have music in me. Me start balance off and start make some music all grade 3, grade 4 me have song. Man all a clash man I use back my own song, you know? Yeah man.
Right. So definitely so from a younger person growing up or a younger youth growing up, you have the music, you used to mumble the music throughout, walking up and down in school. So music has always been something that like someone has to like inspire us, or we see music and we like it. What inspire you to make the type music that you're making right now?
Big man thing, you know. You know say when me stay so up and but then as a little boy, you know, from all like grade 1, you know, from all 5, 6, from all 4 years old, my general, no lie. Me realize say me a catch on the song them. Like if somebody sing a song, me a catch on to it. Quick and fast, you see me? When I time they remember me hear all one Sirani jump out. It's Sirani. Oh na 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 na. And when that sweet me I say, you know, say I should have me sing that song there. You
Jaja.
see me? So as some start realize say, oh, me catch the song them fast and then be a me a mumbo jumbo. You see me? Me start realize say me have to go write too. And when me start write, people have to go say, you know, say I should have me sing that song there. You see me I say?
So definitely. So Sirani is like a good inspiration for you growing up in a sense, you would say.
Yeah man, you know say me listen all type of artists, you know, but you see now era when Sirani and T.O.K. and you see it, never
Right.
know me she up and them sang there and when them would when T.O.K. would have say kind and them sitting there when one day would have come and say mama send her son to shop and he not
Right.
come back home and yeah man. So them time they me a grasp me I can realize you know say me have to go have all a sweet voice too. You see me?
Same.
Right away you know say cartel are my artist, you know. You see me I say so right away me realize say all the cartel tune, Badman, Brooklyn and tell me know them word for word, line for line. The whole I cartel them, you see me? So me realize say alright the hardcoreness, me have to have it too, you see me? So the hardcore and the flow bend up and the style and the versatility. Me not tell no lie, me a one boy me tune into every artist. So if an
Right.
artist song no sound good, probably me don't tell him but me listen it. You see me?
Same.
Yeah man, we
So
tune in man.
so how would you describe the music that you typically create right now?
You know say the music when me mostly do, you know. Music is an influential type of music. You know, people in Jamaica would have say, yo, a gun song and bad song and them sitting there. You understand me I say?
Right?
Yeah man, but you see just through me have the hardcore sound in general. And it's just through me mix the pop and the dancehall.
Right?
Me have time when me soft note the flow away for them so it nice. When I listen to shotgun, when I say, me bring you never left him a tick. See a status can a chop us and nothing happy. You say if you listen want it, man, it a sound suffer. Tough chin them know me dark and it's ghosting if it up and broke pin boss face and boss chin. You see me I say?
Right.
So me realize say me have the fuse for not to synchronize different sound, you see me? But hardcore and the popish sound are my style that you see me? Me da call it trap. You see me?
So your music, you would say, somewhat still authentic dancehall, but it's like fused with trap music right now.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah. Me still
So
have a fragment out I dancehall. You know,
right,
like a broken sentence. Me
right,
still have a fragment out I dancehall. I'ma mix it with the papa so it become the full sentence. You see me?
right. So guys,
Yeah.
you see what's going on. You're here. You're watching Rushwell here live, real time. Interview with C4 the Outlaw, and I'm gonna be asking Rushwell a few more questions here. So, what would you describe your, or how would you describe your creative process? The creative process that you use to like create your music. How would you describe it?
You know, say me I tell them a general, my type of song them, you know, when you listen to my song, you know, you know like some anthem style, you know like a chant.
Right.
Yeah, you know, like when you listen some chant, you come like say, when you in a kumina, you know, you listen to kumina, you know, the more you dance kumina, you know, and more you dance, you reach in a higher spirit. You understand me? I say, you see my song them is like a chant. To me say, spliff jaw for me younger, live smart so me stronger. Link star go to yonder, me got it no anger. Pull up the pocket of the wrangler. It's like a chant. So when you listen it, link star go to yonder. It go up and you see, it just a drive in your soul, my general. You see me? Yeah man, that's so my song them stay man like a chant. Yeah man.
So, is there anybody in the music industry space right now that you'd like to collaborate with?
You know say, on a big man level, a whole heap of them me see when with a collab with you. See me I say, but collab and no one sitting where right and now where you say, yeah man, with a collab with him and him all see it and I just saw it go and thing. You understand me I say? A whole heap of artists that them me see where from you hear me style of flow and you hear for them style of flow. You know say them dancehall artists there, him would a collab with them. You see me I say? Yeah
Right.
man, some of them nearly for sound like me man. You see me? We have a set style of flow and things, so you know say it easy for merge. You understand?
Right.
Yeah man, a whole heap of them with a collab with man. The likes of Vibes Cartel and Chronic Clans, Bang, them type of man. There, you see me I say, yeah man. The fluent flow as them the fluent flow of them man. We flow fast and thing man. You see me?
Wonderful. So, and while I'm on that note, is there like a stage show or an artist like you? Do you consider yourself like a mainstream artist or an upcoming artist? And is there like a artist that you'd like to open a show for?
Yeah man, you know say me's a upcoming artist. You understand me I say?
Right.
I would have hope me show, you know, but you see, alright, watch out. You have a thing in a life. When you say be little, it fast for somebody be little in little you, when you're there in your career. Yeah, if you are a backup singer for one man, a man say, oh,
Right.
him not good for be the singer, him good for be the backup. You see, for
Right.
certain things that we use, hold on your career. You understand me? I say
Right.
so. If I feel open, and if I open show for somebody, you know, if I'm a real artist like that, I'm a real G like that, and him say, yo, watch you can't run out first for me and give it a vibe. Me give it a vibe. You see me?
Right.
But from some big show man or thing man, I say, yo, what you know, you're upcoming artist, you know, you can start it and first it. Yeah, man, me wow the place, man. You see me?
Right. Well, let me just touch on that for a bit because when I said opening a show for an artist, I think most upcoming artists, like for me, in 2006 I get to perform on Sting, and it was just before Buju Banton came on to perform. You
Yeah.
understand me? But for me, it was more like it was the best opportunity for me at the time because I know what I'm gonna bring to the table. It doesn't matter who I'm opening for. My mindset has always been like to I'm gonna inject energy into this crowd. I'm gonna give them something that they've never seen. I don't care
Yeah.
who's coming next. You understand me? I don't care who I'm
Yeah,
opening
man.
for. Every
I saw
show,
me stay man, my general man. If me I want artist man, I'm stay to my book. And when me I found out my general. You see me? From a forward out, I'm supposed to can stay so boop and drop a flames where the next artist him a fear company A game. All if him boss and have big song and everything. Cause when me a come out the body language and everything me a forward out with. You
Right,
see me I say, but you see in other state the way you say like you forward out before Buju and thing.
right,
Yeah, man, I want good thing that. Remember, me tell
right.
you, cause if me if stay so book and forward out before Buju, me have to say, me have to make them members say, the artist when he come out before Buju, him pave the way like Moses, you see me?
Right, right,
Yeah, man.
right. So, what message would you want to send to the fans right now who will be watching this interview right here and want to know more about you? What message would you want to send to the fans?
All me can say, no, my general. Me I tell the fans, say, if them are my fans and them rate the thing, just stay tuned. You see it? And spread the message to other fans. Say, tell an artist to write up, be a song, cause a star ma forward. Anytime them see Rvshwill face up on the map, me no want hear no chat, no talk, no. Album by album, flood the market. You see me? So make them know. All of my fans, just know man, we are flood the market. You see me?
So, fans around the world, you guys hear it. You hear it here first. Real time interview. You know, we got Rvshwill right here, and he said you guys got to just be patient, but look out. He's coming like a real wild storm. Once he hits you, you'll know he's here. He's here, and
Yeah
he's here
man,
to stay as
yeah
well.
man, the red that with up on Jupiter, man. Anytime the storm pass through, man, at the eye we are forward, man. The strongest part of the star, man. Wicked and wild, insipid and spoiled. You see me? Yeah.
Definitely. So let me ask you right now as well. We're here. So if it wasn't for music right now, what would you be doing? What would you be doing other than music right now if it wasn't for music?
Say, me general, me I tell you the truth. You see, if I never nothing musical, me general,
Right,
if I nothing musical, alright. Me usually work all flow company, like to deal with wires and things. You see me I say,
right,
run the M's and them and the crossbox them and
right,
verification and 32 point test, the whole of them they would a run. So you see if I never music or something electrical, cause
right,
me love wire, you see me?
right,
Cause it's just two wire have the current in them
right,
and me have the current in me. Yeah
right.
man, me love wires. Yeah man, all 220 volt man, we touch man, we don't have the current, you see me?
Always connecting.
Yeah.
Always keeping it connecting. I like that. I really
Yeah,
like that. And
man.
I hope the fans,
Connected.
yeah,
Fully
definitely
connected.
connecting, man. So there's
Mm-hmm.
always connection, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yep. And so for the stage shows and stuff that you've performed at, do you have like any upcoming shows and stuff or any venue that you want to perform or places that you've never performed before?
Yeah, man. Me have. All right. You see, right now, me not really have no show right now. Cause you see, the thing is, me stay sana. Me take the time out and I deal with a studio. Me I deal with one different type of studio. You see me?
Right?
The alien, yeah, man. The alien itself I come out of the studio, man. Some
Right?
things where meds beyond belief, man. Some little simple similes where them not see, me I go
Right?
show them. Some little metaphor where them can't reach, me I go show them it. At the heights, I go there in the show the studio there. So I really that me I take my time out and I do. So you see me finish the studio there, I only heap a show with the life work and some fest thing. You see me all some chug it and something. You see me I say, I only heap
Right?
of them with a work for man, but you know, anytime we finish and ready out the realest way, man, we reach out to them, man. You see me?
So we want Leng and Heavy D and TT and Demario and all the other guys who are associated with Sting and any other big show, any big promoter, Stampede and all them guys who put on the big shows in Jamaica. Just know that Rvshwill is ready, and
Yeah, man.
waiting for his opportunity to
Ready, man,
perform on your
cause how me
shows.
staying on my general. How me staying on my general. It even have to know a song of mine. Me know if intro me thing. From me I forward up on a stage. And me say, feel me crime not just bust, man, reach a them place. Me say, face it must bust, them go on like them bad. Them soft, them blush. Have new gun, have somewhere rust, you damn get a different eagle. Kill people for a different reason. Gun tall, you no see them see through. Them go on like them, but just that alone me can deal with backstage, man, my general. We know for forward up on the stage, you see me, and present yourself the realest way. You
See
see me, I
them?
say, yeah,
See
man, so
them?
from From a look for and say Rvshwill just know say the craft are forward up on stage, man. Whole heap of craft and style, man. You see me?
So so let me ask you again, how do you feel like the internet has impacted the music in Jamaica?
Alright, my general. When would I say the impact of the internet, no, the internet, spread the love go all over, one time a Bluetooth we are share song from. If me have my phone, me Bluetooth a song to a next phone, and so we make it go viral. And
Right?
that sound harder, don't it, me general?
Right?
Yeah, man, you have all the phone, man, and 30 man. 30 man line up, man, I wait for you send them a one song. So you see right now, a song all the pan all the verge, man. You can see it, you say, oh, me I see that song. You say it start to pop up on you. When you realize you see it on WhatsApp, when you realize you see it on TikTok, when you go on Instagram, you see it, so you realize you can't dodge it. The more you promote it for all, I think them, yeah, man, it work, man. It easier. Nowadays, it easier for boss. You see me?
So definitely. So you feel like the internet has helped to like increase the opportunity for artists to like
Yeah, man.
outreach, to further more
Yeah,
throughout the
man,
states and throughout the world.
the internet better than the radio. By far, in general. Radio
Definitely.
help because them always say no promotion, nobody see me. All
Right.
promotion hands up. See, if you tell one more person say me an artist, it add up. You understand? If I the 1,000 who say me an artist, a 1,001 become you know. You see me I say? So you
Wonderful.
see, yeah, you see the internet it more easier because all Jamaica, yeah, the disc jockey them charge you. Arm and a leg. You
Right.
understand me I say? If you play your song and when your song get all 1 2 day rotation or 1 week. You understand me I say if your song not great like that, if you stuck in a people ears, right if you
Right
stuck in
through.
a people yeah, if you stuck in a people ears right away, you yourself I go say, yo, you know say the internet have to go work. Cause
Right.
them people that take too much money, so you prefer to promote for Instagram. So you know
Right.
stop sweet. You see me I say? Yeah
Well,
man, it helps better man.
as for the public right now, where can they find you? Where can they find you right now? How can they get information on you?
Yeah, man. From me say, you go on the Instagram, Facebook,
Yeah.
anywhere all nice store them. Rvshwill, Rvshwill. If you type in Rvshwill, if you see somebody else, just call me number at 446 40 33. That's our number. We can reach to me. Just tell them say you see somebody else will favor me. You see
See
me?
it there?
If you type in Rvshwill anywhere, me you see. You see me? I say,
See it
yeah,
there?
man and dark side. So you see, when I say Rvshwill, you go see dark side beside it. You know, see the team that. Anyway, you see me Facebook, Instagram. Yeah, man.
Well, guys, listen. You heard it here. Real time interview with Rvshwill. Rvshwill, I got one more question before we cut the interview here. But let me just ask you. This is very important to the general public, the world, and everybody who wants to know about the music industry in Jamaica. If there was one thing about the music industry in Jamaica that you could change, what would it be?
All right. If I could have changed something in our music business right now. You see, right now, when me would have changed in our music business, would have changed the facts all. Some young artists, we have the full talent and know them have it. Woulda make from me see the talent in you, me make a manager or somebody can see, can find you and give you the help. You understand? Because a whole heap of artists they there. Whole heap of artists they there we have the talent and the way the cake big and the way people want ears because you see song, music come from the heart. Everybody have a heart different. Some people think wild and
Right,
wondrous. You understand? So more while you fight some artists, you understand me I say, them send out a message. Sometimes you have a message, a hide because they not have a producer or a manager or an engineer. You understand me I say? So
right.
some message there they were hide in general what we need to find. So if me could have stayed a book and do a big help for the music, if me reach certain way my general, me a seek for artists, me know say yeah, you have the raw talent. From you have the raw talent, me now make it waste. And if you have a talent and have the full love for it, we try give you help said way. Yeah man, that's so me free my general.
So, is there anything you want to say to the audience and the public in general before we take off?
Yeah, man, you know, say from your device, you know, say I rush with the young prezi and me I say dark and disgusting, brawling at the first thing, lift it up and broke pin, bust face and bust chin. And me I say, just look out. We have somebody EP and some album are forward. Look out for the read up, Grandmaster, the read up, Grandmaster C4, Pansang. We have some more heap of stay tuned and know say the thing I go work the realest way. Just have patience, you know? Yeah.
See there. So multiple blessings. Thank you so much for coming on for the interview this evening. And throughout the world, I just want to let you know this is Rvshwill, and you saw him here on real time interview. This will be also posted on YouTube as well, and you can definitely like and follow and subscribe as well. Rvshwill,
Yeah, man.
thank you so much, man, for your interview.
Yeah, man. Follow up the
All right.
thing, man. Rvshwill, man, on all media and platform, man. You see me?
See
Big
there.
up yourself. Real time interview.
See there.
C4.
Blessings. All right.
Yeah,
We
man.
out.
Blessings, man. Blessings to all.
See there.